Hey everybody, David aka RV Jedeye, and I am driving because welcome to Semi Full-Time, the story about how I lost my job, had to sell my house, moved into my RV, living full-time and looking for a job. Well, the reason why I'm in my car right now is because, ta-da! I landed a new job. That's right, I'm heading north to Green Bay and the frozen tundra of Lambeau Field. I'm going to be working at a television station up there, and this is the move. I'm in the car on the way up. So that's what this episode is about. It's a quick one just to let you know. A lot of you followed along. You saw my last video and I talked about what I had to do when I came off the road for an interview. I had done it a couple of times in the RV over the last several months, and this last one turned out to be a charm, and I landed the job, and I'm very excited to be there. So I'm heading up to Green Bay right now. I'm going to be there in, I don't know, a week or so, and then get settled in, and as I do that, I will then wrap up Semi Full-Time and talk about the whole process. But it was an illuminating process. It was fun at times. It was very stressful at times. In fact, I shot a video dealing with stress. I don't know if I'll release it or not, but I have to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for all of you guys who have helped me get through this process and deal with all of it. I still am going to RV. I'm just going to RV up north. I still have videos to release through the rest of the year and the first part of next year. I'm going to release that. And then in the spring, I am going to come back and pick up my RV, because what I did was I left my RV here, put it in storage, a new storage place, because I didn't want to drive it back north and go through a lot of snow. I haven't driven that RV in any kind of snow. I wasn't sure what that would be like, so it's just better to leave it in a new storage place and then come back in the spring and then drive that back up. Heck, it'll be another great adventure for the channel. So that's it for me. I'm so excited to start this new adventure. You guys have been a part of it. I'll share some of that with you, and then we'll wrap up Semi Full-Time because I am no longer semi or full-time. I'm now back into a sticks and bricks, working for the man, but I'm excited to be working. So that's going to do it right now for me. Just a quick video. Remember, you can follow me all over social media at RV Jedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at rvjedeye.com. Thank you so much, and we will see you Semi Full-Time wrapping up fairly soon.